How to massage your baby's back. Number 1. Place baby on tummy, horizontally in front of you, or lay her across your outstretched legs. Keep her hands in front of her, not at her sides. Number 2. With both of your hands on baby's back, move each hand back and forth, keeping them going in opposite directions from the base of the neck to her buttocks. Number 3. Hold your baby's buttocks with one hand and use the other to stroke down from her neck to her buttocks. Number 4. Using your fingertips, massage in small circles down one side of baby's spine and up the other. Avoid pressing on her spine directly. Number 5. Massage her shoulders with small circular motions. Number 6. Massage her buttocks with big circular motions. Number 7. Holding her fingers like a rake, stroke down her neck.